What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I crimp my hair. I just bought the bedhead waver. I think it's like the weaver or the waver, I'm not sure what it is, but I tried it the other day and a lot of people were asking me like, hey, what product did you use, how did you do it, you should do a video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my hair. If you guys are ready for this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below if you guys are new. Let's get into the video. My hair, I bought this crimper I think I bought it like a week ago, but I just got it delivered, and I did my hair the other night and I was so mad because I used this crimper before, but I remember using it, I think like, I can't remember when, but it was a while back, and I didn't remember how to use it, and for some reason I thought it was gonna be like how curls are, you know, like when you do curls sometimes like they look better the next day. So that's what I thought was gonna happen. So when I got the crimper, I was like so excited to use it that I took a shower and I was like, oh, I'm gonna do my hair tonight because I wanted my hair to be like nice and wavy the next day. And I ended up getting so mad because tell me why it wasn't even wavy. Like that shit was just hella poofy. I looked like a lion. I was hella mad, but I liked how it looked the night before, so I was like, fuck, I should have just waited and just did it the next day, you know. So basically I'm just gonna be redoing what I did. I just kind of do the same thing when I curl my hair. I just start with the bottom and then I'll start with the back ends first. I have it on, I think, the biggest waves that it does, and then you'll just clamp it. And I try not to leave it for too long because I don't want to burn my hair. But yeah, you can just see it start to like wave. And this is basically what you'll do over and over and over again. Did I just burn my fucking hair off? No, I don't know why I made that noise. I like the crimper better than the curler just because it's so easy. Like literally all you have to do is just boop. It's like a sandwich. The only thing is it does hurt my hands from like clamping it too much, so sometimes I have to like switch my arms. Alright, so I just finished the first half. So now I'm going to, I try not to do like thin lines, because if not, you're just gonna have hella layers and then your hair is just gonna get poofy and poofy. So I try to do like 3, and the top one is gonna be like the top hair. So I do a bottom one, a middle layer, and then I do like the top layer basically. Go like this, and I'll just grab all the straight hair, and it's hella easy. You'll be able to tell when you'll be able to separate it. And then I just put all of that like that, and then I do the same thing on this side. Alright, so once I have these, I basically start doing what I did again, and I'll start with the farther ends first. I feel like when I was little, I always wanted curly hair. Like I wanted to get a perm so bad. Just because I liked the way it looked. But now that I'm older, I'm glad that I didn't, because I'm just like, fuck. I appreciate my straight hair. My hair is naturally straight, but it does get like hella frizzy and poofy, so that's the only thing I don't like. This takes forever. I hate this. Like sometimes I wish I could just have my hair already done. Oh my gosh, this hurts my arms so bad. And I'm about to finish this side. Alright, so I got all of this side done. I usually spray hairspray after, so I'm just gonna wait till all of my hair is done. But that is what one side looks like. And then I have this side to do. So I'm gonna come back when I'm done with this side. Alright, I got the second layer done. And now I'm gonna do the last one. So for the last one, I'm basically gonna have my hair, like part my hair how I'm gonna want it, and I'm gonna do it down the middle. So just go like that. Put all the hair to the front, and then you're gonna do the same. Grab all the straight hair from the top. Looks like I don't have that much. Put this in the front. Do the same thing on the other side. Make sure you grab all of it. And put it in the front. I feel like the top part is the hardest because you really want to make sure that it blends in with the rest of your hair. I feel like this is the part I messed up at last time, so I really want to not mess it up. I'm almost done. I'm like, yes. My favorite part, doing the last part. I'm like, yes, almost done. I swear I have no patience doing anything. Like if it takes me hella long to do, like curling my hair takes hella long. That's why I don't really do it that much anymore, but I gotta do it again. So for the last one, I have to make sure I grab this hair too. This is what I didn't do last time. Last time I did this part first and then I did my bangs, and that messed it up. Like you have to make sure this curls together so that way my bangs will be able to stick to it. And I messed up. I thought that it would be better if I curled it after. I feel like it's been the hardest thing to deal with my bangs growing because they're just either in the way, or like if I try to put my hair up, they're sticking out. Like they're at a, like it's awkward stage, I feel like they're long but not too long yet. All right, I'm done with the one side. This looks actually really nice. Now I'm just gonna finish this side and then hopefully it should look like this. But I'm gonna show you guys when I'm finished what the results looks like. I'm gonna actually come back when I have to do this last part, so I'm just gonna do these two off camera. Okay, so I'm about to finish with this side. The last part I have to do is the part with the bangs. So just make sure you grab all the hair. I'm just gonna do the same thing you did on the other side. Just start all the way at the top. Don't burn yourself. All right, we are down to the last apart finally. But I don't know if you guys can see all the little hairs that are like standing up, so I'm still not done. Okay, so we can turn this off. We're not going to be using this anymore, so that is done. This is what it looks like. And now all we have to do is try to get these little hairs down. So I'm gonna use just the antifreeze. Start at the bottom, because I feel like I haven't had my hair down in a while. I feel like I always have my hair up, so I'm gonna leave it down. Let me know if you guys used to crimp your hair. Do you still like it? Have you used this product? Someone told me that they didn't like it, and I honestly love it. I think it does the job, and I think it looks really nice. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys in the next one.